Why hasn't Clarence Thomas recused himself when his wife was one of the people who was standing with Donald Trump as an insurrectionist on January 6th? That issue right there, Reese, is a problem. And here's the deal. The way these rules are written, only the Supreme Court justice themselves can decide whether they should recuse themselves. This is a problem. The Supreme Court, unlike the executive branch, unlike the legislative branch, criminals can do whatever the hell they want to. This is a fundamental problem, and what they have done is they have basically rewarded Donald Trump, because what we now know is you likely are not going to have that trial before the election, and that's a damn shame.
Right. Let me start off by saying, fuck the illegitimate Supreme Court. Okay, let me start there. But I have to also acknowledge that Clarence Thomas and the Republican conservative right-wing stooges that Trump put on the Supreme Court when he stole two justices, basically one from the Obama administration and one and using the same rules that disgraceful Mitch McConnell, who's stepping aside now, should not have gotten Amy Coney Barrett on there. But they understand the assignment. They're not there for the good of the country. They're not there to be nonpartisan. They're there to enact a white nationalist agenda. The reality is, in this case, Trump can run, but he can't hide. This is one case where he can have immunity in, but the fact that he's racked up so many damn charges, like a degenerate criminal that he is, there's only so much that they can do. So maybe this is their way of kind of paying their penance and trying to sit up there and show some loyalty to the person who got them on the bench. Or maybe they'll kick him in the ass and now say, psych, you're not exempt from this, and try to deter him from even more extreme behavior should he win in 2024. I doubt that's the thought process behind it. But I think we have to come to a point now where we acknowledge that the Supreme Court is not a legitimate institution as long as we have those Republican justices who are able to basically upend our citizenship while protecting a degenerate criminal ex-president like Donald Trump.